Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing the way we live and work. As this technology advances, it's becoming increasingly clear that AI will have a significant impact on employment. In this video, we'll explore how AI is likely to shape the job market in the years to come. AI has the potential to automate many tasks that are currently performed by humans, such as data entry, customer service, and even some types of creative work. This means that some jobs may become obsolete, while new jobs will emerge that require different skills. So which industries are likely to be most affected by AI? Manufacturing is one industry that's already seeing significant changes due to AI. Robots are increasingly being used to assemble products, and this is likely to lead to job losses in some areas. In the service sector, AI is already being used to automate tasks such as data entry and customer service. This could lead to job losses in these areas, but it may also create new roles that require higher-level skills. In fields such as healthcare and science, AI is likely to be used to assist human workers, rather than replace them entirely. For example, AI could be used to analyze medical data or assist with scientific research. Overall, it's difficult to predict exactly how AI will shape the job market. But what's clear is that workers will need to adapt to new technologies and develop new skills to remain competitive in the years to come. Fortunately, there are steps that individuals and organizations can take to prepare for this shift. This might include upskilling and reskilling programs or investment in new technologies that can help workers to collaborate with AI. As AI continues to evolve, it's likely that the job market will undergo significant changes. But with the right preparation and support, workers can adapt to these changes and continue to thrive in the new world of work. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.